Alright, so today I want to just show you how to factory reset a Samsung J500. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn the phone off. So if you press the power button, you can see the phone's on. Press it again, hold it in. As soon as the power off comes up, and this is all self-explanatory stuff, right? I don't need to talk to you like you don't know how to do a power off. Right, then the next thing you need to do, in order to get it to factory reset, you want to go into the Android admin menu. So you hold the power button, the volume up, and the home button at the same time. There we go, and let go. As soon as the Samsung Galaxy pops up, you let go. There we go, that's taking us to the Android menu. Here you go. So all I had to do is wait, really. So now if you want to factory reset this, you want to go to factory wipe data. So just use the volume down button, wipe, delete factory data, reset. Okay, and select using the on off button, then go down again with the volume down button, select again, and off we go. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to reboot the system. That's it, simple.